You can add parameters to a struct or class declaration to create a primary constructor. Primary constructor parameters are in scope throughout the class definition. The primary constructor allows you to define class parameters directly in the class declaration. Primary constructors are used to define parameters for a class when it's declared, and those parameters are automatically used to initialize properties. They allow parameters to be defined directly in the class declaration, and these parameters can be used to initialize the class properties or fields in a more concise and readable way. This feature simplifies the syntax for declaring classes with parameters that are directly passed into the constructor, eliminating the need for a separate constructor body to initialize properties.